if you're already creating video content, repurpose that video content, split it into clips to make it a YouTube short. I would recommend that don't make the YouTube short longer than 1 minute. In fact, the shorter the better. And what I would recommend that you use is a video editor. I would highly recommend Movavi because that can actually help you edit your videos in a way that it looks professional. So if you look at any of my YouTube shorts that I do on my YouTube channel, you'll actually see how I actually write the copy, how I structure the video, and how I do the end screen. So when you're going out and creating a YouTube short, you want to make sure that you don't just make it without some kind of copyright text on the video itself. What I've been finding from doing my own testing is if you actually take the time to do some copywriting on the videos, you'll actually find that people are more inclined to actually click on those videos versus if there's no copywriting on the video at all. And you also want to make sure that for the titles, you want to pique curiosity. The most successful YouTube shorts I've actually seen actually have very good titles that not only pique curiosity, but it grabs the viewer's attention. So you want to get good at doing some basic copywriting for your video title and on the video itself, whatever the content may be. And then what you want to do is you want to add an end screen that invites people to like and follow your content. Then what you do is you go on you log into your YouTube account, your YouTube channel, and then you upload that video that you created from Movavi. It will not take very long. It's only going to be less than 1 minute short for the YouTube short. Then you can actually give it a title, and you don't need to give it like tags or a description. Just simply give it a video title and then upload it, and then there's that. So that's how you would create a YouTube short. Just simply, you can do this also from creating a separate video. So if you want to just create separate clips for yourself to shoot on the spot, that's totally okay. But you can actually take your long form contents, split it into clips. You can actually take those clips, dissect them, make it into separate YouTube shorts in which you can edit on Movavi. Or if you just want to take those clips and just make the copywriting on using the app, on the YouTube app, when you're going and posting your YouTube shorts, then you can do that. But I would recommend that you use Movavi to do your editing. That way it makes things easier when you're uploading a YouTube short.